Welcome back to the channel, truck fans and classic car lovers. Today, we're taking a trip back to the mid-80s to revisit a compact pickup that stood tall among its rivals, the 1986 Dodge Ram 50 Sport 4X4. Tough, reliable, and stylish in its own right, this truck had all the right ingredients for adventure and utility. Let's dive deep into what made the Ram 50 Sport 4X4 a standout in its time. Exterior. At first glance, the 1986 Ram 50 Sport had that classic no-nonsense 80s truck styling. Its boxy silhouette, squared-off fenders, and simple chrome accents gave it a rugged and purposeful look. The Sport version featured distinctive striping along the sides, a color-matched front grille, and steel bumpers that could take a hit. The 4X4 variant sat a little higher, riding on beefier tires with fender flares that emphasized its off-road intentions. Whether in red, black, or the ever-popular silver, it had undeniable curb appeal. A short bed made it ideal for maneuvering tight trails or urban backroads while still offering practical cargo space. Interior. Open the doors and you're greeted by a surprisingly refined interior for a compact truck of its era. The cabin was designed with simplicity and function in mind, yet Dodge didn't skimp on comfort for the sport trim. You got high-back bucket seats, cloth upholstery, and a center console that gave the cockpit a driver-focused feel. The dashboard was clean and utilitarian, with large, legible gauges and rotary HVAC controls. While basic by today's standards, it came equipped with AM/FM stereo, optional air conditioning, and even a tilt steering wheel, premium touches for 1986. It had just enough room for two adults, offering decent visibility and ergonomic controls that made it a pleasure to drive daily. Performance. Now let's talk performance, and this is where the Ram 50 Sport 4X4 really proved its worth. Under the hood, it packed a 2.6-liter inline-4 engine developed in partnership with Mitsubishi. It produced around 105 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque, modest numbers today, but more than capable in the compact truck segment back then. Power was sent through a 5-speed manual transmission, which gave drivers full control whether they were tackling dirt trails or hauling gear around town. The part-time 4WD system could be engaged on the fly, transforming this little pickup into a go-anywhere, do-anything machine. It had a solid front axle, torsion bar front suspension, and leaf springs in the rear, offering decent articulation and durability for off-road conditions. On-road, the ride was surprisingly smooth, thanks to its lightweight construction and car-like handling. Whether you were climbing a muddy path or heading out for a weekend camping trip, the Ram 50 Sport 4X4 delivered reliability and performance in equal measure. This truck might not have been the biggest or the most powerful in Dodge's lineup, but it earned its reputation through sheer versatility, style, and capability. It was ideal for younger buyers, weekend warriors, or anyone looking for a reliable 4X4 with a smaller footprint. Today, it holds a special place among vintage truck enthusiasts, especially those who appreciate the blend of Japanese engineering and American branding. If you spot one on the road today, give it a nod of respect. The Ram 50 Sport 4X4 helped pave the way for the modern compact pickups we see today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd take this classic off-roader for a spin. Until next time, keep those engines running and the classics alive.